Good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. So what am I up to today? Today I'm going to give my car a maintenance wash. Now a couple of weeks ago I put a coating of Reflect ceramic wax on the car. Really pleased with it, really liked it, and when I bought that in a ceramic bundle, and what came with it was this SiO2 ceramic detail spray. Haven't used it yet. So having put the wax on a couple of weeks ago, now I'm going to give it a maintenance wash, and then we'll try that out and together we'll see what we think of it. So that's that. Now just after I put that on, the following day I had a look on Reflect's website because I was so impressed with the wax. I thought, what other products have they got that I might like? And they had a bundle on there, 7 items for $39.99, which was their enthusiast bundle. So I got that because I thought 40 quid, 7 items, can't go wrong. So today I'm going to use a couple of those items on the maintenance wash. So I've got some Jelly Bean premium shampoo, which I've already mixed up in the bucket, and I have to say it smells just like Jelly Bean. So we're going to use that and we'll give our view on it. And the other thing that I'm using today from Reflect is their Arctic Blast Snow Foam. So it's really a Reflect car, a Reflect maintenance wash today on the car. So we're going to snow foam it, wash it, and then detail it all with Reflect products. I'm not going to use any thing harsh on the wheels because it hasn't been out really that often, so they're just dusty. So they just need a bit of a freshen up. So today I'm going to use HDD Brake Though wheel shampoo. Which I've tried before, like it, it's a really good product, so we're going to try that out. And I'm going to use Glanz Rebound Tyer and Rubber cleaner on the wheels, on the walls of the tyres. So they're the two products I'm going to use to get my wheels sparkling, and then they're the three products I'm going to use to hopefully get the car sparkling. So let's stop talking and get out there and do some work, shall we? Let's go. Okay, we'll give it a couple of squirts on there. That's very slick. That's nice. That's a nice product. Let's do a bit more, shall we? Yeah, it's a very nice product, I like that. I don't know why it brings a sparkle out in that bonnet. At this weather, I'm guessing anything looks good, but believe you me, it's very smooth. It's like butter. It's beautiful. Well, that's it, job done. I'll take you out and give you the normal walk around, and I use the same elf warning that I always use. Believe you me, that looks absolutely gorgeous, but most cars can look gorgeous on film, but honestly it does. So let's just talk about the products that I used. So the first thing I did was I washed the wheels, and I used HDD Brake Though wheel shampoo. I've used it a couple of times before, and I have to say, having used it maybe half a dozen times now, this is a really nice wheel shampoo. If you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I'm a big fan of Garage Therapy One Wheel Shampoo. That's a top product. Most of Garage Therapy's products are good, but that's a good product. This is a very close rival to it. It's a very, very nice shampoo. Lathers through to the end, loads of suds, loads of lubrication. What I will say is it didn't have a job to do because the wheels were dusty, but it felt good. It was a really good, nice product to use. And then I used Glanz Rebound Tyer and Rubber cleaner. And again, if you watch my videos, a number of them, you'll see that I use Adams Tyer and Rubber. I've used it for years. Really rate it. Really good product. Cleans the wall tyres really well. This is every bit as good. Every bit as good. It's a really nice product. So I was really pleased with that. So 2 out of 2. Really pleased with those two. Then we move on to Reflect Car Care. So first one I used was their Arctic Blast Snow Foam. It's going to be difficult for a snow foam to impress me on my car, and the main reason is it's so well protected. It's got lots of protection on it. Only about 2 weeks ago I put ceramic wax on it, so you're not going to get I don't think you're going to get a great reaction. This was reasonably thick. It was okay. It was, yeah, it's a nice snow foam, but I couldn't tell what its cleansing properties were like because there was just dust on the car. So I really would like to try that on a dirty, grubby car. So that's their Arctic Blast. This, however, Jelly Bean Premium Shampoo, this is a good shampoo. It takes a lot to kill the suds on this. You get lots of suds all the way through the wash, even at the end, even now. I mean, that was about 2 or 3 hours ago. There's still a load of suds in the bucket. Lots of lubrication. A really nice shampoo. Again, comparable to Garage Therapy One Car Shampoo. That's probably a little bit of a hard thing to compare it to. You need more of this than you do of the Garage Therapy product, but this is a really good shampoo. If you're looking for a shampoo to try out, I recommend that. That's a nice shampoo. So having washed the car and dried the car, which by the way I rinsed it using my new resin filter, and that worked like a dream through the pressure washer. Really pleased with that, no problem at all, and it was so nice not to rush around the car. The sun keeps coming out. When it comes out it's really warm. It's, what is it, it's 22.5 degrees at the moment, but it was so nice having that water filtration unit on it. It made such a difference, so that's a real plus. So then we move on. Having dried the car, I used Reflect Car Care SiO2 ceramic detailer. Top product. Really like this product. It's good to use. It goes on. It spreads well. You can put it on, and in the end I was putting it on to sometimes 3 panels at a time, and it is warm today, and it's very forgiving, and it's smooth, it's slick, adds to the colour. This with the ceramic wax that I put on it a couple of weeks ago, you know, they sell this in a bundle, and it's well worth getting the bundle because these really complement each other. That was a beautiful wax to use, and that is a very, very nice detailer to use. I'm absolutely delighted with the outcome, and we'll have a quick walk around and look at the car, shall we? So there we go. Really nice deep finish. Okay, so an hour and a half later, battery on the camera went, and I just want to do this last little bit just to wind the video up really. So it was a bit of a shame, but there we go. So there we go. It was a really good day. Car looks absolutely gorgeous, and as I said before, the Reflect car detail, ceramic detailer and the ceramic wax, what a dynamic duo they are. Really does make the car look gorgeous. So there we go. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.